Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6 chapter 3 negative numbers and integers exercise 3a question number 2. This is fill in the blanks, so we have to fill in the blanks whatever is given. First is the greatest negative integer is. So I have told you many times and repeatedly, the greatest negative number is the number that comes just before 0 on the number line. What is that? -1. So greatest negative integer is -1. Okay, the opposite of winning by a margin of 400 votes is what? So you have seen sometimes in elections when somebody wins, they tell that this candidate has won the election by these many votes. So opposite of that will be what? What have we given? That the person whosoever it is, he or she is winning by 400 votes. So winning by 400 votes, what's the opposite of this? First of all, winning, opposite of winning is losing by 400 votes. That will be the opposite, right? Because winning by 400 vote means what? Plus 400. Okay, opposite of plus 400 is minus 400, which actually means losing by 400 votes. So you can write that down here, losing by 400 votes. Right, then minus 103, then there's a blank, then minus 101. So we have to compare them. As you can see in the bracket, the signs are given, which is greater and which is smaller. Since these numbers are negative, so we will look at their absolute value first. See, you can see their absolute value tells that 103 is greater than 101, and when the numbers are negative, that thing gets reversed. So 103 becomes smaller than 101 but negative. So minus 103 is what? It is less than minus 101. Okay, practically also you can do this. Just look at this, they are negative, and when the numbers are negative, just see the number with the smaller absolute value. It will be always be greater than the other one. Number of even integers lying between minus 11 and 5 is what? Let's write down whatever integers come here between minus 11 and 5, and then we will see. So minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in all of these, whatever numbers will be even will be divisible by 2, even the negative ones. So the same rule goes for negative integers as well, right? So see over here. First of all, your minus 11 is not even, minus 10 is even, minus 8 is even, right? Sorry, it's asked in between. So whenever in between is asked, we don't write the two numbers given to us. Minus 11 and 5 are given, so we will not write these two down. In between excludes these two numbers. So minus 10, minus 8, then minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. Even 0 is divisible by 2. Why? Because it gives 0 in the remainder, right? Then 2 and then 4. Count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total of 8 even integers lie between minus 11 and 5. Okay, and it's between, so we will not write minus 11 minus 5. If it is from minus 11 to minus 5, then over here you would write that number down and so on. But it is between, so it's not required. So total of 8 even integers. The dash value of minus 16 and 16 is the same. What's the value? See, we have studied what type of value? We have studied about absolute value. So what is this? Absolute value of any number is the number without the sign. Any number whichever we have, so it is without the sign in its absolute value. And if I take these two numbers, okay, whenever you have to write any number in absolute value, you use these two lines, and within this you write your number n, whatever it is. Okay, so this is how you do it. So if I take plus 16, I write this in between these two. They are called mod. These two lines that you see are called mod. So this indicates we have to find the absolute value of this number without, so absolute value is without sign. Remove the sign of 16, there is going to be 16 only. 16 already has no sign. Then minus 16. Again I put this under the mod, so I will remove the minus sign after opening the mods, so I will be left with 16. And can't you see both of these are same? So that means the absolute value, okay, the absolute value, because right now what have we calculated? We have taken out the absolute value, so the absolute value of minus 16 and 16 is the same, and that's your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and